Hi, so good morning. Welcome once again to our channel, Job Opportunity Worldwide. So before we start, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button so that you will be notified for our next video upload. So today guys, we will learn how to add our YouTube channel to our Facebook page in two ways, using the add a button and using the YouTube tab app. So the advantage of this is to drive traffic or views to your YouTube channel. Again, this is sponsored by Filipinohomes, and this is our company, Filipinohomes.com. So let's start. So first thing, go to your Facebook page and click this button right here. So add button, and then configured, edit, okay, and go to learn more about your business. So there is a drop down, click watch video, next, and then website link. So your website link is your website hyperlink here. Go to your YouTube channel, okay? So click and then just paste it and then save and then click finish. Okay, so you're good to go. So once your Facebook fan or visitor will click this one, they will be redirected to your YouTube channel. Okay, so the next thing that you need to do is you go to the search field here in YouTube and search YouTube tab. Okay, and then there's a lot that will show up, so just click this one, YouTube tab, and then use the app. Click use app. Okay, and then it will ask you which Facebook page you want to have your YouTube tab app added. Okay, so look, for me, in my case, I will select San Agustin Heights. Okay, so I already selected it here. Okay, and it will ask for, so you will be redirected to the application settings. So you copy the user ID or the channel ID. So the channel ID is found here, just after the channel and the slash and before the question mark. Or you can go to settings and then advanced settings and then this one, channel ID. So you copy it and then paste it on your channel here, on your Facebook page. Okay, and then you can add a featured video. So in my case, I will add this video. So the link that you should add is this one, just after the equal sign on your YouTube video, and then you copy it and then you paste it here on the featured video, and then you can click save settings. Okay, then that's it. That's pretty much it. That's how you add a YouTube. So it will be showing up here. There you go. So all your YouTube channels now can be viewed on your Facebook page. Okay, and there's a video, YouTube featured video as well here. So in my case, since this is a Facebook page for San Agustin, I also added the Facebook page. Hey guys, so thank you so much for watching. Once again, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to be notified on our next video upload. Thank you for watching.